Good.
She smells so bad. I'm not dizzy from the movement of the boat. I'm dizzy from his smell. My hubs is carrying all of our stuff. We're here for the wedding of Hub's cousin.
My favorite cousin. Hulas na.
Siya lang, and I'm so happy he changed. Thank you po. Ito ang gusto ng daddy eh. Kaganda! This is a church here in Bohol. Tagbulan?
Tagbilaran.
Tagbilaran.
Sa Baclayan Church.
Baclayan.
Yeah.
Malaki siya, no? Getting ready for the...
It's so far, no?
Hello? Sa paligid man, si Panay rin. Ako ang pink. Ang pink. Go shopping to the venue. For the win.
Ayan, sana. Alam. Ini gue tahu tuh kan. Mawawala yung magandang ugali doon.
Thank you, Lord. Girl. Ang galing umakyat ng hagdan at bumaba. Nala. Could never. Oh? You don't like me anymore, Shansi? You don't like me anymore? I carried you yesterday during the wedding.
Yung kalaman natin pila?
50.
50? Oo.
Yeah. Goodies. We're buying goodies.
Ang gusto mo?
Pershier. I never got the chance to see a real one. We only went to the church. We never got the chance to go here, Chocolate Heroes, or any of the beaches. They also have a cave. And Bohol Manmade Forest. Thank you!